Hello, good viewers of my channel. There might be a couple of weeks with no videos. Let me explain. All right, get you a cup of the good stuff. Tune in. Let me explain to you, and I feel like I owe it to my good subscribers, my viewers, as to why there might be a couple of weeks without some videos. And the big thing is here, what you're looking at, and please excuse me, this place is embarrassingly dirty, unorganized. We've been remodeling the whole house, so stuff has been shifted. Some things ended up kind of in my room. Some things I've just run out of room. I've run out of room in my workshop and that, and excess stuff has been working its way in here. But anyhow, we are remodeling. We're redoing the floors. So you can see here, this is the last of the nasty carpet we have in this house. We've been laying this hardwood floor, and now it's time to come into my room. And that means all of this shelving that I have has to be emptied. This desk, all this has to be emptied and go. This monster desk is really beautiful, but this thing is a beast. Golly, it's so cluttered. I'm embarrassed. This one will break down to 3 pieces, so I'm thinking, what I'm hoping is I'm just going to break this down to 3 pieces and I'll be able to move it around. This printer will go over here. My laptop is going to go over here. My desktop is here. I want to put the laptop over here and either move the desktop monitor to there, or I might want to, yeah, I think that'll work. Put the laptop facing this way, put the extra monitor there, or maybe even use that on the laptop. No, because I think this one's bigger. Yeah, anyhow, I'll figure out. I'm going to put the laptop over here and then my desktop, and this will be all the computer stuff. And then this desk here, I'm going to take all my chargers that are down here on the floor, which now I had to get down on my damn knees to do stuff. Oh, this is a heater that's, whoa. I'm going to move these chargers up here and that, so that way I don't have to bend over and it's going to be a little better organized. Right here, and I know somebody go freak out about all these lithium batteries, but see, like, I'm out of room for batteries too. I've tried to organize them, and I know, please guys, I don't want to hear, oh, I should be in some type of whatever case, this case, that case, and you know, whatever. I'm retired. I'm here like all the time, pretty much, somewhat. But yeah, my drone batteries, all these batteries, I need more space. So I have 3 more of these shelves I'm going to put over here. All this stuff's going to get moved over there. But because this desk is so big, basically what we're going to do, and this is the only room that we're doing it in, we're going to end up painting this room before everything goes back in. So I got to get all this stuff out, minus desk. We're going to paint the entire room, and then the flooring, and then I got to build those 3 shelves, and all that. So, oh, this is some bicycle stuff I need to sell. Like, RV brake is in here for, because it's got a battery. I need to move that to the other. See, we renovated that room, and some of the stuff that was in the closet of that room ended up over here because she was complaining she wants that closet for herself. So yeah, it's gonna be probably a good week of me doing this. Now, I do have the brand new mini Creighton, or whatever you call it, coming to actually be tomorrow. You've already seen that video. I'm going to try to get maybe 2 or 3 videos shot the same day. While I'm out there, I'm going to do my review, and then I'm going to do some running videos. Hopefully, I have the ZD Racing Lamborghini. I need to get out there and run, see how fast we can get it. I'm going to try to get some videos done, but then, like, after I get done this, I have a friend coming over from England. He's going to be here for 3 weeks. Me and him have some stuff planned, and it's not anything that anybody at this channel is going to be interested in watching. So I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be out of town, hanging out with him, doing some stuff. So I might get back early. I might not. It just depends on how things go. So that's it. So this is the mess. This is an absolute mess. But this is the last room of the remodel, so it's going to be good to actually have, like, hardwood in here and I could just roll my chair, because right now I get this goofy plastic mat underneath here that if I push back too far I get stuck. So yeah, so that's it. So let's go ahead and get this room remodeled. Well, 1 week check-in and I am in bad shape. This is obviously, it's not going anywhere near as fast as I had hoped. As you can see, nothing back here has changed. A lot of stuff is emptied. The carpet is ripped up to there because we're going to lay floor until we get to the desk, and then I have to take this desk apart and then we'll move it over there. I still have everything in the closet. So today, the game plan is all this is going to come out of the closet. Carpet's going to come out, and then we're actually going to start officially laying the floor in here. We have new baseboards out there. The wife doesn't want to reuse any of that stuff. So I think I started this on Monday. I've had a couple days I really couldn't do much because the mini Creighton came out. I went out and shot a video with that. Right now behind me, yeah, Creighton versus mini XRT is rendering. So you've already seen that by now. I also have a video with the ZD Racing Lambo, and I also did a bash and chat about manliness in the hobby. So you'll have seen those before this comes out, because this is going to explain why I haven't been around. Yeah, I thought this room would be done and I'd be working on getting everything back in here, and it's not. It's taken out. And then I still have all of this stuff. Has to come off the walls. The paint. Yeah. I installed a new Wi-Fi system too while we were at it. So that way maybe I could do some live streams back there in the shed. So this is like a mesh network. So there's three of these. This is the main one, then there's 2 repeaters. And like I said, it's a freaking mess. See, I've already started. I already got the printer here. All that's gone. So I'm going to have 2 sets of shelves here. Oh my God. Look how long this is taking. And I appreciate you guys watching, because I know this has got to be the most boring stuff. But that's what's going on. So I'll check back in when maybe we're done. Oh man, it's been a rough week and a half of getting this room together, but it's finally done. Well, mostly done. Still have some work to do, but I'm out of time. I'm literally flying out tomorrow. I got some parts that Tyson sent me. I'm going to try to throw it together on the RC, shoot a quick video of that for you guys. I'm not going to have time to test drive. It's pouring rain outside. Yeah, and I still got one more. I got this video I got to edit. So check it out. Let me know what you think of the new production central here. And we got my stuff from Travels, but check out the floor. I used to have a lot of other stuff over here, but this rack is kind of wiggly, and everybody likes to walk into it and knock stuff over. So I put the RC cars there. I think that looks good. Got my books back here. Moved some other stuff out of the way, rearranged, but we still got the RCs up here. I got all my Snoopy stuff. I don't know, I guess as a kid I had a Snoopy, and growing up I like Snoopy, and then you know what? If somebody thinks you like it, everybody starts, that's what you get for Christmases. So I got a lot of stuff, but check it out. So here we go. Camera gear. Got my chargers here. Got the Traxxas chargers here. Got the Arma chargers over here. Got my battery charger for doing the AA batteries. Check this out. So this is a tablet that I use in the RV. It's got a magnetic back. I was going to take the RV to the dealer, and I was going to film some stuff at the track. And guess what I found stuck to this? My other DJI mic. I found it. It's right there. My other one is in my bag, but look at this. So guys, redoing the room. I found my mic. But yeah, when we tow the car, this tablet tells me what the remote brake is doing, tire pressure and all that stuff. So that's the purpose of that. This is what I'm really proud of. Got the laptop here, got my second monitor. The big monitor there goes to the desktop down there. I got LaserJet. This is for black and white. This is a color LaserJet because I print such little amount of color, inkjets dry out. And guys, check this out. It was expensive, but with my back, I broke down and I got a new chair. This thing is so comfortable. The lumbar support is amazing. So now I can edit and not be kind of like hurting. So this over here, yeah, and some of my military stuff kind of got covered by these new shelves. I'm not going to worry about it. Maybe one day I might try to shift it over that little bit, but as you can see, I got lots of empty room here, so stuff's going to go in. Oh, these are brand new toners for the color LaserJet. When I moved into this house, I didn't take the toner out, and it leaked inside, so I took it outside, blew it out, and I ordered, so we got a new drum and the toner so I can get that working again. Our battery collection here, yeah guys, I know, don't freak out. I know everybody's gonna say store it in ammo cans or whatever, but there you have it. We got our fire extinguisher, but the drone chargers, it's all disorganized. All that's gonna have to get done later. Guys, look at this. These two totes, they're all transmitters. Pretty much. This is some camera gear, but man, it's like so bright and shiny in here now. It is so shiny. My wife did such a great job painting. She also did a great job on the floor. She just gave me the pieces. I cut it. She hammered it. We got brand new baseboards down. So, like I say, guys, my friend from England's coming to town. I'm going to be spending some time with him. Just going to be off grid for a while. So I apologize that there's going to be a break. Hopefully it won't be too substantial, but there's going to be a break in the amount of videos. Like I said, one of the biggest reasons I was working here. Normally I would go out and shoot a bunch of videos and have them ready so that it's uninterrupted, but with this office kind of basically being down, all my computer stuff being down, working on the floor, painting, you know, I couldn't go out there and do it. So I just wanted to let you guys know. And unfortunately, I know this is going to be a very long video, and I apologize because I know you guys don't want to hear me ramble about I'm doing my office. But yeah, it's, like I said, pretty much done. I'm hoping to extend the workshop outside, and I'll be able to put these other transmitters there, because I don't have room for, even if I put them on these shelves, it's going to run out of room really fast. I mean, look, this is just 3, that's 5 transmitters there. Yeah, I could take the IXSR out of here, save a tiny bit of room. Got my my plain transmitter. Yeah, so anyhow, let me know what you think. Ah, that's just gorgeous. And I love this chair. And without carpet in here, it rolls so nice. I'm one happy guy right now. This is a lot of work. My back is killing me, but it looks amazing. So everyone, greatly appreciate the support. Can't wait to have some content for you when I get back. Let me know what you want to see. Sorry, I don't have anything new coming. I'm probably not going to order anything. I doubt it. So we got a whole lot of old car. I do have some things I need to fix and get going again. But let me know in the comments down below, what RC do you want to see me take out and run? All right, everyone. Appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Links down below. Ways of helping the channel. Teespring, Amazon, all that great stuff. Adds nothing to your cost, except if you shop at Teespring, that's going to cost you something. But greatly appreciate it. So thank you very much. I'm going to take a little break from the RC and go do something for myself. Guys, I hope you understand. All right, thanks for watching. See you next one.